Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw oval shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to draw oval shape, go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select the oval. Then draw the oval to this workbook. Now we can see we draw a oval shape. You want to change the color, select the shape and go to the shape format menu and select the shape fill. We can see here many color, you can add any color. Now I am select this. You can change the outline color, select no outline. You can add more than style, click the effect option, you can add shadow. Now we can see we draw a oval shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.